Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Techno Talks here. So today I'm back with another unboxing, and this time we have the Samsung Wireless Charger Duo in front of us. So what this is it's basically a wireless charger with two pads so you can charge two devices at the same time. So it's basically in the name. So let's go ahead and check out what it says on the back, because I haven't really researched on this too much. So Wireless Charger Duo. Anything else on this side? Nope, nothing there. And then up top here, we have some information. So 9-watt fast wireless charging. So that's good, as fast wireless charging. Not the fastest, but I guess that's what Samsung devices support anyway. So it's not going to be too big of a difference if you're using a Samsung device. Galaxy phone, watch, buds, iPhone, and AirPods. So it supports everything, I guess, with Qi wireless charging. Galaxy Watch charging with magnetic align. So we can already tell that it does have a separate area for the Galaxy Watch, but I'm guessing you can charge a normal phone on there as well, because it says you can charge two devices at the same time. And apparently it has this magnetic connection that the normal Galaxy Watch chargers have. Unfortunately, I don't have a Galaxy Watch on hand right now. I'm getting one very soon, and once I get that, I'll be able to test it out with this as well. But for now, I'm just going to go ahead and test out this charger. So let's go ahead and unbox it real quick. Where do we have some tape? We have some up top, and we have some down here. Let's go ahead and get that out. Okay, let's try and open that up. Okay, so there is tape on the side as well. Tons of tape on this. Anything on this side? Yep. Okay, so I'm guessing we got all that tape out, and now we can pull it out. So we're directly greeted with the device. There's nothing else in the box. You just pull this little contraption thing right here, and you're greeted with your device and everything that is included with it. So let's take out this device real quick. Let's check out some other things that are included in it. Quick start guide. Nobody needs that. We have our 15-watt fast wireless charging here. So I'm guessing this gives out 15 watts, but it only gives 9 watts on one side, and then I guess it gives out 6 watts on this side, so it can give fast wireless charging to one, and then it can charge up like smaller devices on this side. So that's what I'm guessing, and I hope it's like that, so it's not a total of 9 watts. We have our USB-C charging cable right here. I don't need to open this up. I already have tons of these. I can just put all this back, and we can now look at the charger a little, if I can manage to put it back in. Okay. So the wireless charger has this little plastic film over it, which we can take off right away. And there's one under it as well. So let's take all those out, and then let's check out the wireless charger. So we have two grips right here, plastic grips, so it doesn't, like, I can like shake my table right here. I'm gonna go ahead and do a real grip test right now. Okay, so that's not gonna slide off anything. That's gonna be on there solid. We have some lights right here. I guess those are indicators for when they're charging and when they're not. And then we have a watch sign right here, if I can manage to focus it. So we have a little watch icon, and then we have a phone icon with, I guess, Galaxy Buds and stuff. So I guess it's meant to charge a phone and then Galaxy Buds, but you can charge other devices as well. Oh, okay. So we have our USB-C port on the bottom right here, and no fans. This really doesn't need any fans. It's not too fast of a wireless charger, so it won't overheat. And I guess that's why it's like this. It's a pretty slim design, solid, it's pretty sturdy, so it won't break on you. And overall, it feels pretty good. The build quality is pretty good. So let me go ahead and get this connected, and we'll go ahead and test out the wireless charging. Okay, so I now got it connected. As you can see, I connected it to the 15-watt wireless charge, 15-watt charger that it comes with. So let me go ahead and take it out, because there's like this cool LED animation when you first plug it in. Let's get it plugged in. Okay, so the LEDs like light up and stuff, and they indicate that it's turned on. So let's start testing it out. First, let's test out a phone real quick. I have my S21 right here. Just put that on the normal wireless charger. Wireless charging and fast wireless charging. Okay, so that just dropped it from 3 hours and 7 minutes to 2 hours and 7 minutes. That's an estimate, but that still shows a lot. Let's put one on here as well. See if it wireless charges from here. And I'm guessing not. So no wireless charging from this pad right here. Let's test out some Galaxy Buds. Okay, so no charge from there either. Okay, so I guess this does not support other devices. So it works on this side. I can go ahead and test out the Galaxy Buds Live. And it's charging, the red indicator and the red indicator. So it's charging on over there. And then I'll get my S20 FE with a case on it. Wireless charging, fast wireless charging. Okay, so the fast wireless charging does work. But unfortunately, I'm guessing that this right here does not seem to work. Does not want to work, and I'm guessing that it's only meant for watches, which is unfortunate if it is like that. And I guess it is. So I guess this isn't really a duo. This is only for one smart device and then a watch. But I guess if you have your Galaxy Watch, you can charge it on here, which is pretty nice. And it'll still be very useful. As you can see, you can charge every other device on this side. You can probably charge your watch on there as well, but I don't have a watch on me currently. And when I do get a watch, I'll probably create a post on YouTube and I'll post like a picture of it charging it when I get my watch. So I guess that's about it. The fast wireless charging does work, so that's great. But I wasn't able to test this because I don't have a Galaxy Watch, and apparently it doesn't support anything else other than that, because it seems to not charge anything other than a Galaxy Watch, and I haven't even tested a Galaxy Watch. So that's about it for this video. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next one.